Hey guys, it's me, Kelsey, and I'm back at Toy Notes. I'm glad to see you back too. Today we continue our quest for the best Moana themed doll and toy. This one is much more than just a doll. Obviously, we do get a Moana doll, but this also has a projector in it to project the moon on your wall like a nightlight, which is pretty awesome. So this one was recommended, where was the age? Oh, 3 and older. It does need 3 AA batteries. Yeah, AA batteries, which aren't included. So I'll have to supply those myself. But let's go ahead and get it open. All right, so I have it unboxed. I haven't put the batteries in yet, but we have Pua and Hey Hey, and then our Moana doll. Now, some of the other Moana dolls you've seen me play with sang. She doesn't. She's just a doll, but she has her awesome little boat, and she can stand on her own, and it does roll. And it rolls like she's on the water. You see that? I'm not doing that. So it's got kind of different, you look, they flip differently so that it rocks the boat back and forth like she's on the ocean, which is pretty cool. All this stuff went together really easily. I didn't really even need instructions to do it. And I do see the button for the projector, which it's there. So let's go ahead and put batteries in it and then we'll get to play. I really like this Moana playset. It has a lot to do. It's very true to the movie, and I think any Moana fan will be pleased, especially with the awesome projector inside as an added bonus. Moana looks very true to her form. She has her friends Pua and Hey Hey, her boat. Everything is so spot on. I think this one is awesome. Granted, Moana doesn't make any noise like some of my other play sets, but she's not really meant to, as there's plenty of pretend play to be had without that. So guys, if you want to be here for some more awesome Moana toys, I'm still looking for the best Moana doll. This play set is pretty cool, but I'm looking for a good doll. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep checking us out at toynotes.com. Big thumbs up is always appreciated if you liked our video today. And until next time, bye!